Summer has come to an end. As you can see, the plants are struggling. It's time to prepare our garden for winter. So here is a video of how we turn this. Into this. Our winter ready to thrive garden with coals, onions, and surprise garlic. Let's take a walk through the path first. This is the first path of our allotment garden. We rent this garden inside a greenhouse in Holland. It's October 2020 for right now. That means winter is almost here. So it's time to pull out the summer plants and make room for some winter veggies. You can see there's still some growing going on. I just saw a pepper. And did you see those little lanterns? Those were physalises. And these are strawberries. But it's already too cold for them. They will no longer ripen. Here in the back is a beetroot. And here are some other survivors of the season. The last, defiant tomatoes clinging to the vine, like tiny crimson warriors braving the onset of autumn. And here's another physalis. Let's have a look at the other side. Here we still have some orange raspberries. But just like the strawberries, I don't think they'll grow any further. Now it's time to meet the lady of this path. Always lovely to see her, Madame Jeanette. We'll leave her to it. Here's another grown star. Meet our fig tree, the one that's always striving for victory. That's pretty much our first path. Today we'll start by removing the cucumbers and tomatoes. They take the biggest part of this path, but definitely won't grow any further. So first we harvest, then we approve, then we plow, and finally we sow. So here's the harvest of path 1. We also saved the green tomatoes. Most of them will probably still turn red. Just like pepper bells, tomatoes can also discolor after harvest. Now let's have a quick look at the remains of path 1. Here starts a pretty much empty part. You can see the soil is exhausted. Dig, dig, here we go. The final result will be so satisfying. Look at these chunks coming loose.
Hold on. Do you see that?
We found a surprise garlic. We'll use that later today. Now let's get back to digging. Okay, this path is all dug up and ready to go. Time to add some fresh soil. Look at that, all fresh and... Hey, carrots still there, going strong, all fresh, dark and crumbly. Or as we like to call it, ready for planting. They were already here, but we removed them while turning the soil. Have to be gentle with the roots. Up next is our surprise star of the day, Mr. Garlic. I'll start by removing the skin of the garlic. This is where the garlic cloves are shown. Apparently this is purple garlic, known for its intense taste and aroma. You can call me a gardening geek, but this little garlic made my day. Through the excitement, I forgot being careful. The skin of the cloves should not have been removed. Because we're not eating these, we're replanting. Each clove of garlic has a bottom and a top. For this garlic, the top is easily recognizable because of its purple color, and simply plant it by putting it, bottom first, in the soil. Roots will shoot from below, being responsible for absorbing water and nutrients. Leaves will grow from the top, performing photosynthesis. Last up, we got our coles. Kale, cauliflower, broccoli. Coles have high cold tolerance. They grow slower, but taste better when grown in the cold. I'll plant them one by one. Just like spring onions, being careful for the roots. The coles are surrounded by garlic. The smell of garlic can prevent aphis green fly and cows. Now we only have to water them and let them grow. Just look at them. They look so small and helpless. But in just a couple of months, they'll stand tall and fierce. Follow us for updates and our other paths.